Good morning, 8th grade. Welcome back out to my garage. This morning I have a short demonstration for you to think about air pressure. In order to do that, you see that I've got what looks like a clean, empty peanut butter jar. It's not actually had any peanut butter in it, but it's about the same size as one. And so if you have one around the house and the other appropriate materials that I'm about to use, then you'll be able to replicate this. In addition to a clear plastic jar and lid, you'll also note that I've got some of my famed porta potty water here, and so we're going to use that in order to get this going. I've got a small glass vial. I'm not really sure what the volume is, but I took a rubber stopper and a piece of clear plastic pipe and assembled that. And so what I have is an open system with this. The end of the pipe here is just open to the atmosphere in the garage, and so that's going to be important here in a moment. In order for this demonstration to work, I actually need to take the vial and I'll set it on top of the lid, and then I'm going to take the jar itself and screw it down onto the lid. And so now I've done my best to create a closed system with the atmosphere. I have separated the vial stopper blue porta potty water container from the rest of the atmosphere. It's in its own thing, and so that gives us a great opportunity to explore pressure. Right now, you need to find notebook sheet number 4. I believe it's entitled Pressure in a Jar, and I should have attached and distributed to you in Google Classroom. The first task on there is for you to make a prediction. Since we're interested in pressure, the first thing I want you to do is I want you to make a note. You can see that the water level in the blue tube there's some space between the water level in the end of the tube and the top of the stopper. And so I want you to take a moment and hit pause on the video, and I want you to write a prediction. What's going to happen to the water level in that clear tube when I squeeze on the sides of the container? So go ahead and hit pause and go ahead and compose your prediction. Now that your prediction has been recorded, let's see what actually takes place. And so let me alter this. Perfect, that works a little bit better. You can see the blue water, and as I squeeze the sides of the container, something is going on. So right now I am squeezing, and then I release. And you saw water shoot out of the top, and I'm not squeezing it right now, but it's falling down the tube again. If I take a moment and I squeeze it again, you'll notice that the water disappeared from the tube. And then if I release it, it looks like it shot out the top again. So I can slowly, you can see I'm playing with it a little bit. I can make it depress, and then I can shoot it out the top of the end. And so take a little bit of time and go ahead, and now you can respond to the rest of the questions on the document Pressure in a Jar. Thanks for watching. I hope you all are getting along well. Bye now.